Hi everyone. Okay, as the title said, this is just a very short video of how I crashed my Mavic Pro. I will not complicate too much. I just wanted to post it for people who own the drones to be more careful and not to crash them, thinking that okay, I paid certain X money for this machine, has these sensors, so everything will work perfectly as in commercial, and I'll be safe. I have to say I'm flying drones for quite a while now. I always played safe. I never took any chances, until this time. I said, okay, let me try something a little bit more cinematic. Let me set up the drone to follow me. I would do a circular route with a couple obstacles, very clear, simple obstacles on the way. Drone will not have any problems to avoid them because they are going to be right in front of him if it happens, and everything is going to be okay. Unfortunately, as you're going to see in the video, due to the malfunction of the obstacle avoidance, that didn't happen, and drone slammed straight in the light pole, and it cost me a couple $100 to fix it, and it ended up having a number of scratches on the drone that once when I try to sell it, definitely I'm going to lower the price for a couple $100 more. I have to say that right now I'm filming on Osmo Mobile 3. I just ordered the new Mavic Air 2, so DJI, it's a brand that I really like. Therefore, I have to say that I'm really disappointed with what happened. Without any further ado, please enjoy the video, and please be careful when you're flying your drones. Keep them safe, and don't think that machine will do everything for you. You are the pilot, and don't believe in anything you see in the commercials. Have a good one. Peace out.